Stop! Are you making the #1 mistake that powerful, upscale, high-income earning women make with men? Stay tuned, because this may be one of the most important videos you ever watch if you want to attract a high-quality man. The good news is, I have discovered some simple secrets that inspire the highest quality men to become devoted to you and insist on being your loyal partner forever. And I would like to share those secrets with you today. Hi, my name is Luba Evans, master coach, Harvard speaker, mentor, entrepreneur, and CEO of Empowered Womanhood. I have spent the past 20 years focused on helping powerful, upscale, high-income earning women like you to stop attracting emotionally unavailable men, narcissists, as well as non-committal men, and start attracting their soulmates instead. Look, if you are a high achiever living a fantastic life, you're wealthy and you've achieved everything you've ever wanted, except for finding the man of your dreams, then please listen up, because this video could be the turning point for you. Just imagine having a high-quality man who will be committed and devoted to you forever. Wouldn't that be amazing? Let me ask you a question. Do you know the secret golden key to a man's heart? Unfortunately, American women have been taught the wrong combination, which is why American women struggle to find a man who will commit fast. I grew up in Russia, where there are literally 10 women for every 6 men. But it was even worse for me growing up, because I was not half as pretty as the other girl. I was invisible. I quickly realized that since I could not compete with these women who got lucky with their good genetics, I had to find another way to be noticed by boys. Once I discovered how to activate a man's devotion circuits, I never again had a problem attracting a devoted boyfriend who was eager to commit to me. So now you might be wondering, what were these discoveries, Luba? I would love to share all the discoveries and secrets that changed my life and the lives of countless of my clients with you, but there is just simply not enough time in a short video like this. The good news is, I have put together a 100% free masterclass called Soulmate Training. And in this 1-hour masterclass, I will be teaching you exactly what you need to do to attract true love this year. Click the link you see here, and you will be taken to a page that looks like this. Then enter your name and email address, and you will be given instant and immediate access to the Soulmate Training Masterclass. It is that simple. So what are you waiting for? Click the link now and watch the Soulmate Training Masterclass. You will be so glad and thankful to yourself that you did, and I will see you inside of the masterclass.